Okay. I got a second. I got my controller too, Jake. I've rejoined the pad legends. What pad? DS4, Xbox One, Xbox Series X. What controller did you get, man? I'm interested. Okay, we're gonna start off with Magic Pockets here. So let me quiet down the noise. So anything here is fine. No trainers, no cheats. Oh, the SN30G. Is it the one with the analog sticks? No matter what it is, we got the original SFC30. It's a great pad. It's better than the OG, Super Nintendo controller, right? It's a really fun one. So nice. I think you're gonna enjoy it a lot. Nice, man. That's a good buy. How much did you pay? 40, 50? It's a full pad and it's NES-like, so if you want to go for some retro gaming now, you know there's no bars hold, bro. I'm gonna set you up with Amiga Live. You're gonna be loving it. When we both go for some Alien Breeds co-op, gonna feel 38. Hey, that's such a bargain for such a good controller. Frippo got the same one. You know, most Resident Evil players are, oh, I'm playing on a PlayStation pad. It's on your like Super Nintendo controller, bitch. Super Nintendo controller, bitch. Which is totally fine. Okay, my goal for today is that I at least finish the first world of Magic Pockets, right? We know how the game works, but we still gotta get good at the game. So let's start off with this gem. Okay, but the volume is not as loud, so let's up the volume a bit here. So, the longer we hold the button, the bigger this tornado will be. This tornado, if it catches people, we can milk an item out of it. Additionally to... Oh no, it's a gamble, because if we kill him, we get a fixed amount of money. So it's a bit of a gamble, right? I still remember this room being very obnoxious, so we gotta take it slow here. There we go. We don't want to lose lives in the early parts of this level. We already... Oh, I thought we already caught something. The sound was like that. It already proved its worth. It was the pad with the King Henry dodge. Dude, I even don't know who King Henry is. I'm so not getting Resident Evil. It's sad that I missed it as a kid because I'm pretty sure I would have liked it. But turns out that, yeah, I missed the time frame where it was a thing. The zombie dodge, yeah, but his name is King Henry, or is the dodge called King Henry because it's super complicated? What? A community called him King Henry. Okay, that's kind of hilarious, not gonna lie here. Oh, nice. Now we're talking point value. That's when you get these items. There's a chance. It tells you what you will get out of it. A bit of a weird scoring mechanic. We're gonna get to its bottom. I can make or break the run. Oh, it's so something like we've talked about yesterday already, right? No, not close enough. Nice. Are you enjoying the run so far? How far have you come yet in your journey? Because it's quite the game, you know? It's not as easy to just make some scores happen. It's quite a lot of work, isn't it? Let's get rid of him, first of all. I don't think it's gonna catch him, yeah. It's gonna catch him. Doing it like this will take care of him. Yesterday was already a bit tired, so... I think today's runs will be way better. Not so far. Well, yeah, it's a long game after all. Okay. To check the layout. Okay. And give him a good one. He's tanky. The thing is, here at the TV we can take a look and we see the rest of the level in our vicinity. It's just like this little zoom function. Pretty handy, if you ask me. Golem, not a big fan of us treating him like that, but hey, it is what it is, Golem. And these stars, I'm not sure if we get something at the end of the level. All these games have so complex scoring mechanics, I'd really need to get into them. Maybe the longer you wait, the higher the reward. Okay, this is one of the make or break rooms. Because we're still on 4 lives, right? Yeah, those are the ones I want to avoid at all cost. Candy bar, nice, actually. We don't know if they'll come down again or not. Since there's an element of about being so high in the air. Ah, yeah. Okay, we lost a life there. So they're chasing after some time. They are nauseous. There was a second one right there. Oh, there are many. Okay. So maybe this room is meant to be more of a try to dodge if possible thing. Oh, wait. Yeah, they kill everything. That's nice. Medicine bag. Get the medicine bag. Nice. Those were actually kind of helpful for a high score. Killing as many baddies as possible is the goal of the game, ultimately. And we know that these can strike with their tongues, so we also gotta be cautious when taking care of these. Yeah, there we go. That's all stuff we learned yesterday. And adding small pictures of the rooms I need to traverse them, so you're making your full-blown library, basically, right? What? Okay, so we learned something else. They can assault you easily. And now he's coming, of course he's. Throwing rocks. Mind you, my friend. Oh, okay, we can pass through here. But how were we able to do that? Ah! Okay, we're on 1 life. I think we just learned some scoring mechanics here. On the fly. Which can, on its own. Oh, nice, full life. But that's so good for our run. So there's a bike. I can post it on Discord when I'm finished. You can make your own thread for it, because that would be easy to sum it up, right? Oh, we can just write them down. Nice. Nice, okay. Goal for today's stream, when it comes to Magic Pockets, we reached stage 2. That's a small thing, right? But since we picked up so many games, it's kind of cool. What we've seen already was when you drop a big stone, there's a possibility that you can do special stuff, right? That you can jump on it and do mega spins. So we learned that when you do this, and I had like, when you charge these up, when you jump, we had like a mega jump before, but how did we do that? How did we do that? I thought it had something to do with the tornado at one point. That when you... Oh! Yeah. You throw a tornado and you walk into it. Ah. Then this happens. Okay, but this one is not breakable, is it? That's a cool thing about these games. You know, they have so many hidden mechanics you just needed to learn at one point or another. Woo! Boop, boop. But we're getting there. We're learning it slowly but steadily. Okay. Not all of them are breakable. That's also important information. And I think this is also a trick, like, do the big one. And there we go. All of a sudden, those baddies are not a big deal anymore, are they? Oh, but they're still dangerous, so... But while we're spinning, we're doing damage, so that's a good thing, right? We just catch him like that. Oh! Ah! This guy. Oh, no! They attack! You never expect them to just jump or do shit like that. Oh, come on! Why would they get so aggressive now? But there's milk down there. Okay. I mean... if it's gonna be like that, count me in. If it's gonna be like that as well, count me in even more. Now let's try the chewing gum because we can go up or down here. Oh, nice coffee mug. Oh, we charge our pockets faster now. Oh, that helps a lot. Oh, that helps a lot. Oh no, I don't know if we want to go in there. Okay, nothing special here, so let's... Yeah, there we go. A very resourceful way of... The game wants us to go up, so maybe we need to go into that bat-infested room. No, I... Ah, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay, there we go. This is gonna be tricky now. We have to be on our toes here. Oh, chocolate bar. Nice. That gave us 1 life point, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, and milk. Nice. Another life point. Dun, 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 dun. A lot of frogs here, so maybe this will be the trick. Of course, he would wait now for us. Nice on the combo damage. And in we go. Oh, fuck. Okay, nice. Okay, let's go. Oh, okay. Is it good or is it bad? Okay. There's some weird masks. Oh, Vamirs, you wanna... Hello and good morning, Dion. How are we doing? How are we doing, Dion? Oh, fuck. But is the chocolate nice? Oh, no. Bye, Sargento Brian. Okay, but 55k 900 is better because yesterday's run was 14,700. So we're gonna take this one. This is already way better. So 55.9. We're gonna use this one later on. Nice.